CX20 is the next evolution for Insinger's high-temp dishwasher. Let's walk you through some of the features of this innovative machine. The signature feature on the CX20 is the innovative quad-arm wash system. Instead of a traditional two-arm system, we've doubled that, forming an X pattern. This means that your ware will be cleaned with additional coverage for a more effective wash. And with the full stainless steel construction, you can be sure for long-term reliability for your machine. Every CX20 comes standard with an IS booster in the machine. The IS, or Integrated and Submerged Booster, acts as an additional heating element inside the wash tank. It recaptures radiant heat, saving energy and money. We've redesigned the control panel for the modern age of dishwashing. The CX20 features a digital LED display with a simple two-button system. Further down, the LED indicator bar shows machine status and wash progress. All of these improvements are aimed to make the experience of using a CX20 as simple as possible. Our signature VaporGuard ventless option returns on the CX20 and has been completely redesigned. Now mounted on the rear of the machine, clearance issues are a thing of the past. The CX20 with optional VaporGuard is also the fastest ventless door type in the world, clocking in at a record-setting capacity of 60 racks per hour. The CX20 comes with an ergo grip door handle, which alleviates the hassle of corner installations. Rack-aware technology ensures no water is wasted. The machine will detect when there is a rack inside. The foot-operated drain pedal eliminates backstrain. Simply push down to drain your machine. The CX20 is available in 4 configurations: Standard, with VaporGuard, Extra High, and Extra High with VaporGuard. Contact our sales department for special pricing on all CX20 machines. And visit InsingerMachine.com for detailed specifications.